In this video, you'll learn how to pay with Google Pay on eBay. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to complete your purchase seamlessly using this payment method. Begin by navigating to eBay and selecting the item you wish to purchase. Once you have added the item to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. Here you will see various payment options available for your transaction. When you reach the payment method section, select Google Pay as your preferred choice. Ensure that your Google Pay account is active and properly linked to a valid payment source, such as a credit or debit card. This is crucial for a successful transaction. Next, you will need to verify your payment details. Confirm that the selected card is the one you intend to use. Additionally, check that your billing information and shipping address are accurate. It is important to ensure that the selected card has sufficient funds to avoid any issues with the transaction. After verifying your details, the next step is to complete the transaction. You will be prompted to authenticate your payment using your Google Pay verification method. This could involve entering your PIN, using a fingerprint scan, or facial recognition, depending on your device settings. Once you've successfully completed the authentication, the purchase will be processed. Wait for a confirmation message from eBay indicating that your transaction has been completed. This confirmation will typically appear on the screen shortly after your payment is processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.